Makikita ninyo, hindi siya lead man IT person. Ang daming enter. Yan, antayin lang natin ang kaya natin. Yeah, so we want to prove to you, even if you're not an IT person, you can be able to configure a router. No? It's not that difficult. Mas mahirap ang mag-doktor sa 10 years yun. Cisco Next, CCNA, 5 days lang. Unlimited sit-in for 1 year. Break na? Na-break mo na ba? Ayan, o, ayan. Matatapos na siya, mag-umpisa pa lang siya. That's okay, no? Antayin natin. So, what he's doing, IPM message transfer unit, ginawang 1400 dahil you want to send larger packet. Pag sinabing 1400, mas malaki. So yung TCP, we need to adjust to 1360. 1360 is lower than 1400. So pasok siya dun sa MTU, meaning kasya siya. Okay? Parang nag-jumbo frame tayo. Next, tunnel source, 200,001. So yung source, kung saan galing. The destination, yung 002, sa kanya. Then, he's creating a route. No source. Then, destination niya, 192.168.2. Papatuhin niya. Para makapalit sa kanya. Para mapin siya. Going to the first hop, which is 0.2. Router, siya yun. So, mapipili talaga siya. Okay? So, save. So, actually, tapos na siya. So, tingnan na natin si Miss. Tapos na si Sir. Enter mo, Sir. WR to save. Kasi baka mamaya, masipa na isang student.
Short for right.
O, wala. WR. Saving. No? Similar to Kapiran Start. Kapiran, whatever you want. Yan. Okay. So, na-save. Tapos na siya. Tapos din siya. Tingnan natin si Ma'am. Mag-pro shot pa ba siya? Hindi pa natin siya may dito tapos. Type nyo lang space. Type nyo show IP router. Enter. Show. Wala lalabas kasi hindi ba siya tapos. Gusto ko lang makita. Show. Home show. Space IP. Space router. No? Enter. Okay, meron akong static yung ginawa niya, papunta sa kanya. Once she completed the config, mapipin na niya. No? So, maglalaro tayo ng pin. Testing natin. Siyempre, wala pa. Okay, pin. Sir, pin. I just showed you, no? Connection na lang. Yan. So, ngayon naman is activating to that one. To that one. External interface. Ako nagkabalik ko yan. In tunnel 0. Oh, tama. Tunnel 0. Tunnel mode red. Yeah, enter mo lang. Okay lang mo. Makulit talaga yun. Kasi naka-laging console. Okay? By the way, sino yung interested mag-enroll ng CCNA? Or tapos na kayo ng CCNA? Tingin ko, iba sa inyo, tapos na yan. Tapos na. Tuloy ninyo sa CCNA Security. So we're gonna open up a new course which tackle about CCNA security. Maraming klaseng CCNA for your info. Hindi lang routing and switching. Routing and switching is very common. Meron din CCNA data center which using the portal handler. Tunnel source 200.0.0.2. So siya yun. Yung source niya to the destination somewhere. Tunnel destination 200.0.0.1. Yeah. Then, route. Create a static route. Papunta sa kanya. 192.168.1.0 255 that 255.0. The next hop is 172, which is the tunnel IP. Now, 172.16.0.1. Enter. Enter. Okay. End mo. Sige, lagas ka. I wanna make sure tama yung IP na binasok. So, IP in brief. Dapat up muna yung interface. Oh, ang bilis niya na bibig na. Sandali. Show IP in brief. Yan, sige, sige. Okay, refer to the page naman. So ito. So we wanna make sure pingable, up ba? Okay, up and okay. What we want to test is the tunnel IP. Tunnel IP niya, which is 172.16.0.1. Tingnan mo na may tunnel, tapos nabibig na niya, successful. What they did, they created a tunnel. No? Sige, ping mo siya. Ping, type mo po, ping. P-I-N-G space 172.16.0.1. Enter. Successful. Let's give them a round of applause. Nagawa nila. Okay? Greta Hanel, wala pang kalahating oras, tapos na. So, ganun lang. Now, I will be needing a second batch. Thank you, sir. Anong name niyo pala? Thank you very much, sir. Ma'am Rochelle. Julie pala. Yung kanina palang session yung Rochelle. Okay, so, na-90 si ma'am. Nagawa yan, ha? So, tapos na yung Greta Hanel. We have configure ISP. Next one, we need someone to configure firewall.